Hello, this is how to switch between AM, PM and 24 hours on a sport watch. Press the mode button 3 times to enter the settings. Now press the reset button 2 times. Use the start button to set the hour of your local time. At the same time, you can choose between AM, PM, A and P on the screen, or 24 hours H on the screen. For example, for 10 in the evening, you can choose 10:00 p or 22 hours. Once you are done, press the mode button one time to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video.